How to turn off voice on LG TV. First of all, get your LG TV remote control. Then you'll want to press the settings button. It should be middle left there. Go ahead and click that. It might be a little slightly different on yours, but get the settings menu up. Then scroll down to the bottom until you see all settings. Then click the OK button. That should bring up this on screen here. Then scroll down until you see accessibility. Go to the right in accessibility, then go down to audio description. Then for you it might be turned on, but then if you press it once there and the audio description, it will turn off right there. Then once you go out of that, audio description will be turned off. The voiceover, the thing that's telling you what's going on the screen, will be turned off. So if you want to go back in there, all you're going to have to do is go into audio description. You can click it on or off within that section there. In the settings, you can press that on your LG TV remote control and you'll be able to get there. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.